Hey Shug, it's your girl Taj Mahaly, and this is my spa night routine. Keep watching to see how I like to pamper myself at night. Hi y'all, so first things first. My favorite part of the whole routine, you guys, is honestly washing my hair. I slick my hair down basically all week to get this nice, swoop-de-doop look, giving you Betty Boop vibes. And I have a lot of gel that's been sitting in my hair. So kind of taking some warm water and loosening it up first, and then going in with my Joico. I don't know, I have to see which one that was, but my Joico shampoo. Y'all, it's everything that I need. It's everything that I deserve. It's nothing better than a good head massage. Like, honestly, I just miss going to get my hair done just so I can get my hair washed. It is my favorite part. Rinse it out. Then I'm going to go in with my Joico Defy Damage Mask. I'm going to use this as a conditioner today, just because whenever I keep my hair straightened and then that tension for such a long time, I want to do that. So now I'm going to go in with my Glycolic body wash from Pixie. I really like this body wash. The type of exfoliation we get from it is great. The only thing I dislike about this one is that it's so runny, you guys, and I tend to waste so much by it just being sitting in the shower. Like, the whole cap gets full. But aside from that, I really do like it. It serves its purpose, but it definitely needs better packaging. Then I'm going to go in with my Bump Eraser Body Scrub from First Aid Beauty. It's targeted for keratosis pilaris, so you're going to see me kind of exfoliating my legs here. Okay, you guys can't get a good angle, but you know what? My gift to you next year is a videographer, because I can only do so much by myself, you guys. And make sure that I'm hitting my underarms as well. All the areas that I tend to wax is what I want to hit with that scrub. I like this one because it's pumice based too, so it's not sugar based. You guys know I do not like my sugar scrubs at all. It's pumice over here or gloves, baby. We're just gonna rinse all that off, okay? Then I'm gonna go in with my honey pot. You guys don't need to see what I'm doing here. Just a couple pumps. And then I'm going to go ahead and go with my Shea Moisture In Shower Body Conditioner. So you guys, I kind of got this idea from Aaliyah's Face whenever I had looked at one of her videos before. And personally, I know whenever I get out of the shower, I go straight to my lotions and my sealants, and I seal all my moisture in from the shower. However, a lot of people don't realize that by sitting around and lounging in your towel for a few minutes afterwards, you're suffering from transepidermal water loss. So having something like this to apply on before you get out of the shower will help you if you're one of those lounging people who like to sit, just so you don't have to lose as much water. So now I'm going to go ahead and rinse that mask out. You're also going to see me rinse that body conditioner out. But yeah, you guys, if you are someone who suffers from eczema or drier skin, I highly recommend getting that in-shower body conditioner. I mean, because I can tell a huge difference in the hydration within my skin, and I love that it's non-scented, it's non-colored, it's perfect. It's what my body needs in these cool winter months. And let's go ahead and get out. So now I'm giving you this little shot, give me a little bit of leg, you feel me? I'm going in with the roche-posay Eczema Soothing Relief Cream. You guys, since it's been cooler, this is my go-to moisturizer. I still tend to reach for my e.l.f. CBD body butter as well. However, I feel like the e.l.f. one leaves a little bit of a film on me, and I prefer this one a little bit more. Yeah, and we gotta make sure we get the other leg. Okay, honey, gotta get both of them. Okay, can't be catching lack, and we gotta be a glazed donut everywhere. Okay. Oh my goodness. And then I'm gonna go in with my Skin Script Cactine Balancing Moisturizer. This is the back bar size, so it's really, really big. I use this moisturizer literally from my hairline down to my toes. That is it. This is a fire moisturizer. So now moving down to my toes, we're gonna do the Baby Foot Exfoliation Foot Peel. I discovered this a while ago, you guys. It's a chemical peel for your foot. Or feet. And I really, really enjoy this because you put them on, right? They're like little booties. You saw that I had my little thick fuzzy socks. I'm going to apply it over them after I put these guys on, just to hold everything in place. And you just chill for a couple hours. Over the next couple of days, your feet are going to peel. And y'all, when I tell you, your skin feels so much better afterwards. I cannot even lie to y'all. I can't lie. Oop, we struggling. Hold up, can't give y'all a show. We're gonna slip the little booty on. And I think they have a male version of this. I think the only difference between the female version and the male version is that it's a little bit bigger. So all my menses who have some rough toes and you need a little bit, need a little bigger boot, you feel me? They have that for you as well. Same thing for the other side. And there you go. Oop, oop, oop. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my skincare. And yes, I did take my glasses off of my imagination ears. Yes, my you know what I'm saying. Either way, going in with the e.l.f. Super Clarify Cleanser. I love this cleanser, you guys. I have been recommending it to a couple people because it's very affordable, and I love the fact of having a niacinamide based cleanser. That's what my skin needs right now. I'm really focusing on brightening and evening out my skin tone next year. I don't know if you noticed when I was in the shower, but I have been super stressed lately, and so I've had about 2 minor breakouts on the side of my face that need tending to. The niacinamide will definitely kind of help with the oil production and kind of balancing that out and soothing that breakout out as well. So the good sis needs it, okay? And I know y'all know about the 60-second cleanse. Here we're taking our time, okay? Taking our time. And then we're just gonna rinse off. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my ultrasound gel. I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite facial devices ever, okay? Ever. Ever, ever, ever. Ever, ever, ever. So you're going to see me just take a really nice amount of ultrasound jelly on my cheeks. And they're like, girl, ultrasound jelly, what are you doing? Let me show you, boo. Let me show you. So here it is. It is the New Face. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is the OG New Face from back into like 2016. But basically, this is a facial toning device. I bought this at my very first spa job. You guys, I was like probably 19 at the time and didn't even need it. But still, what it does is it has some microcurrent technology. And we put the ultrasound jelly on there just to help from the anti-shock situation. So if you put this guy on your skin without putting the ultrasound jelly on, it will shock your skin. But basically what this does, it kind of gives you a mini facelift. So I put it in the contours of my cheeks and I push upwards. You'll also see me go on the jawline to really contour the jawline. I mean, I've used this on some people and you see instant results. Like, you guys, literally instant results. And it feels so good. Like, I guess like the cool temperature from the device, since the facial applicator is metal. Oh my god, it's so good. I love it. I mean, it doesn't vibrate anything. It's just literally just, you know, fine pressure moving slowly across the contours of the face. Go ahead and remove that ultrasound jelly. Yes. Snatched. You hear me say it. Look, snatched. Okay. Then I'm going to go in with the Buffet Peptide Serum. This serum is an overall kind of like an umbrella serum. So really great. Has those amino acids in there to help with breakouts as well as anti-aging. I have to go over and look at some of the other benefits. I'm just starting to dabble again with the Ordinary because, you guys, I'm not going to lie to you, I wasn't feeling them for a moment, but I'm definitely testing them out for you, and I'm making sure I put it on my neck. And I will give you guys a consensus. No worries. I got y'all. And then I'm just going to pat that in. Then I'm going to go in with my Good Molecules Firming Moisturizer, you guys. I figured that today I kind of wanted to have an overall arching theme, and I kind of went like, I made this up as I was going, but I wanted to have an overall arching theme of anti-aging because we did the New Face, the microcurrent machine, which really helps with like gravity and bringing the skin up and training and toning those facial muscles. So I wanted to keep the same theme by using a skin firming moisturizer. You guys, I'm trying some products from them as well. So I will get to you guys with a consensus. If you're interested in any of the Good Science products, just let me know, okay? And we're going to go ahead and go in with my Seek Hair Tiger Grass Gel Cream. And you guys know, if you've watched my skin barrier routine video of how I've been loving this lately, honestly, it has such a unique texture. You know, when you first look at it, you're like, okay, this is going to be very watery, but as it applies and it spreads, it feels like butter, okay? I told you it's the Cica in there is going to really be great to help with those breakouts that I'm experiencing as well, help with the inflammation. So that's why I opted for that as well. So we're double moisturizing, honey. But oh, it doesn't end here. It does not end here. So get ready. And lastly, we're going to be applying the CeraVe Healing Ointment. We don't need that much. You'll see me just put a little dab on there. But this is what seals the deal, and this is my occlusive, honey. So this is how this holds everything in overnight. Oh my gosh. There's also some really great properties within the healing ointment, but that's not really why I'm using it tonight. It's mainly just to keep everything into the skin. I mean, you guys saw me, we did some elaborate steps this evening, so I want to make sure that I don't have any transepidermal water loss. Everything stays in, and that is what this occlusive is going to do for us. We love to see it. Perfect. Well, you guys, you have seen me take my time, really show my skin some love this evening. I've been really enjoying this, and this is what I do whenever I have some downtime. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in anything else, please let me know. Please like, comment, and subscribe.